Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's just Anna voicing over one of Kenedi's videos today. So she's doing some really sweet Valentine's Day nails and starting off with Shy Away and popping a base of this all over all of the nails. And once that's done, they're going in the lamp for 60 seconds before we go in with a second coat just to make sure they're totally opaque. And again, we're just going to cure them for another 60 seconds. Next, we're using Extraterrestrial, and this is one of our cat eye polishers. And it's a really, really nice pinky tone, mid-pinky tone. And we're just going to do the smile line on here, making sure that's nice and even before filling in the rest of the French tip with this gel polish. And once we're happy with how that's all filled in, we're going to pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. We're not going to magnetize this layer because we're going to be doing a second coat of this. So now that's cured, we're going back in with the second coat, marking around the smile line again, and then filling it all in. And now that's all filled in, we're going to leave it uncured and then go in with our magnet and activate all of those little magnetic particles and do some magic. We're just using a straight magnet here, and this is just going to add a little bit of a different shape to the magnetic particles. As you can see here, it's kind of made a bit of like a candy stripe. Next, we're going to go in with a top coat and just give a nice coverage over this before we cure it for 60 seconds. We're just going to buff this nail down because we're going to be doing some isolated chrome, and this is the easiest way to ensure that none of your chrome is going to stick anywhere else. Then for the base underneath the chrome, we're going to be using Serious Black, and we're going to be making some lips. So they look like little kisses, little lipstick kisses. So Kenedi's just gone in and added 2 dots for the bow of the mouth, and then just using a small detail brush just to add in all of the corners. And then she's just going in and doing the bottom lip as well. We're just going to go in and add another set of lips in a different position on the other side of the nail. So just again doing 2 dots and then using a small brush just to make the corners of the mouth. This is a really simple way to draw some lips, especially if you struggle with making things look accurate or even. This is a great way to start off. And then we're just going in and doing the bottom lip again. And we're just going to go in and do a third set of lips. And once those are all done, we're going to pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Next, we're going in with one of our chrome pens, which are great for detail work because they don't make any mess. And just going to use this beautiful pinky shade and go over the lips. And because we buffed the nail down before, none of this chrome should stick to anything else. So you just want to go in and buff off all of the excess, and you should have some beautiful isolated chrome lips. And then we're going to go back in with some top coat to finish it all off and just put a nice generous layer over the top. Sometimes when you're using chrome, you might want to pop on 2 layers of top coat just in case you're worried about it scratching or chipping, because it is a little bit delicate, but it's totally up to you. And there we go, there's the nails. They're so cute and very pretty. Make a great Valentine's Day set. If you want any of the products, they'll be listed down below and tagged in the video, and we hope to see you next time. See you later, guys.